गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं एक साउथ बेस्ड कंपनी के बारे में बात करूंगा जो कमर्शियल मार्केट्स में बहुत पुराना खिलाड़ी है। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट योर कंपनी बेस्ड इन साउथ इंडिया which is a old player in the commercial vehicle space. This has been around for a long time and Hinduja has acquired this company. This company was originally very strong in South India and has made recent progress in the last decade across the country. I am talking about Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is in the top 20 manufacturers of commercial vehicles all around the place, all around the globe. They are trying to become a global brand. Today, their position is in the 20th position in the world, and they have outlined a plan to get into the top 10 in the world. They want to become a net zero company by 1948 when the company turns 100 years old. But the future of any company is its EV arm. So the Ashok Leyland has named its EV arm Switch Mobility. The Switch Mobility is a closely integrated company emphasizing synergy and development. It concentrates on expansion into global markets and a strong presence in electric vehicle. So they want to become electric and they want to grow the electric vehicle market and they want to become global. So they developed a new product called Avatar for international markets and to plan to launch an electric bus in Europe by 2024. But you have to understand that Ashok Leyland's original company was Leyland Motors of UK. So it is going back to its roots. The company is particularly focused on growth in EVK segment, both in its mother market, United Kingdom and Europe. In traditional products, their growth targets include developing markets like Africa, West Asia, and Southeast Africa. What are their traditional products? They manufacture light commercial vehicles, medium commercial vehicles, and heavy commercial vehicles. They concentrate on bus. To compete with ACE, they launched a product called Dost, which would compete with them. The idea is, in the last 16 months, Ashok Leyland has established a presence in Africa with 13 distributors. These distributors have their own assembly facilities. The company celebrates its 75th anniversary and is committed to developing the future of commercial vehicle industry and wants to get out of diesel and do it with sustainable transport solutions. The main market, of course, is the Indian market, and the Indian market, they are increasing their sales volume. And this modular avatar product is mainly developed for international markets. They are now focused on building network and finding distributors in new markets in which is crucial for their expansion. The managing director and CEO is a gentleman called Shenu Agarwal. In development, he has said that they developed India's first hydrogen vehicle, hydrogen fuel bus, and which is set to operate commercially by December. The hydrogen fuel bus is designed primarily for Leh and Ladakh region and will undergo testing in high altitude. The company is the second largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in India and concentrates on medium and heavy commercial vehicle. Tata dominates the entry level segment with Ace and the light commercial vehicles with 407. The real competition is in heavy commercial vehicles and buses. It is the 8th largest manufacturer of buses in the world and 15th largest manufacturer of trucks. Ashok Leyland is the flagship company of Hinduja and having a standing presence in India in both medium and heavy commercial vehicles. Now the company is headquartered in Chennai and has presence in 50 countries. Ashok Motors was originally started by Raghunandan Saran from Punjab, and by the end of the Indian movement, he was persuaded to invest in a modern industrial venture. Ashok Motors was incorporated in 1948 as a company to assemble and manufacture Austin cars from England, and the company was named after the founder's only son, Ashok Saran. The company in 1954, Ashok Motors manufactured Comet trucks and generation range of cab over trucks from Leyland. The collaboration with Leyland ended in 1975. British Leyland agreed to assist in technologies which continued till 1975. After 1975, changes in management structure saw the company launch various vehicles in Indian markets, with many of these models continuing till date with continuous upgrades over the years. The company was brought over by the Hindujas, who have a global presence, were mainly known for finance and other products. But the company has not been able to compete with Tata's because Tata's have a bigger investment capacities and made larger investments. Tata's also moved into SUVs and started to manufacture car. Tata's also invested heavily in investment in indigenous development of engines and vehicles and launched the Tata Ace. So far, what has happened is Ashok Leyland is always a segment follower and not a segment creator. Tata has launched Tata Ace in electric vehicles and has started to sell them. Now, Switch Mobility also has announced two trucks between 1.5 to 2 tons to and started accepting bookings with the claim that there are 13,000 bookings for this stock. This stock is extremely expensive. The market cap is 53,000 crores. The current market price is 182. The PE is nearly 31. Debt to equity is 3.64. Price to book is 6.25. EPS is 6. The promoters own 51.5% of the company. DIA is 20.8. FI is 16.6 and public 11. The company is at 30 times earnings, 31 times earnings, and substantially discounts all future earning prospects. It is better not to consider the stock and look at Tata Motors instead of this. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग पैसा बोलता है। आपने इस पॉडकास्ट पे आए और इसको सुना, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। तो अगर आप इस वीडियो को पसंद किया तो आप लाइक बटन दबाएं, अपना कमेंट्स लिखें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को टीका लगाएं। अगर ये सब आपने कर दिया तो इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्त और रिश्तेदार के पास भेजें और उनको देखने के लिए आग्रह करें। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।